Okay, the last two noise in primitives is voronoi and the voronoi plus. As I said before, if you click and drag a lots of node in a graph, when you click on it, you can see the change in a 3D viewport. They are independent from each other. If you connect them, now you can connect them to them, and they are both. They're combined in a viewport. But if you click on them, just you can see on a viewport, and they are independent from each other, and they have no connection to each other. Okay, and you can export individually. So this is voronoi. You can. It's another noise, another kind of the noise. You can change the scale of that. Very simple. You can change the jitter. Actually, it controls the offset between the peaks. Jitter, sit, change the randomness of that. Dual, it double the effect of the voronoi if you want. Nice, double. Yeah, you can double it if you want, or you can select bring all the setting to the default. And again, we have a warp option that is in almost noise in the nodes that they are creating the flow system. You can see it. For example, this is an complex. If you set it to the none, this is our simple voronoi. You can create such train for cartoony game in this situation if you want. We have a warp system simple. Yeah, as you can see, system. You can change the frequency, amplitude, octaves. Nice. And the complex, this is the complex mode. As you can see the mountain are combining to each other, and it's like a mod system. Create something like that. And if you change the warp frequency, now you can see it better here. Warp amplitude, you can change it, and as you can see, it's warping at the edges, and it looks like we have a wind from this direction and mixing the mountain to each other. It's a warp system. You can right click and click on it to reset it. Okay, this is our warp system. I think it's bug. Reset to the default, and this is our simple warp. You can change the octaves. If you change the octaves, as you can see, the warp is producing in the slopes of the mountain, and now, yeah, you can see it better here. If you want to see, if you have a powerful system, you can activate the 4K in a viewport, but you need a powerful system. Advanced setting, you can scale it in an X or Y direction. You can right click. Okay, you can scale it in the X and Y direction. And we have a different system for creating this voronoi. Don't bothering yourself with the names. Change them to different function. And here is the most important thing. You have a different form for creating your, you can see interesting mountain here. For different form for creating your voronoi. RPA. I don't want to explain them very much. Just change them and see what happened in a viewport. Simple. And remember there which function is useful for you. So we have a different form here. Another thing is a voronoi plus. Voronoi plus is just create a cell effect for you. As you can see, we have an iteration. You can change the amount of the iteration here. It means the power of that voronoi. We have amount of that voronoi. Distribution, we have a different method for distributing cells like this. It's a grid For a grid, we can activate the noisy edge. As you can see, we have a noisy edge here. And you can change the strength of noise. We're going to random. Strength of that noise. Density of the voronoi. Density of the voronoi. Simple. And the seed for changing the randomness of that. You can create a strange and alienish train for your game or something like that. It's not natural, but you can create it if you want with a voronoi and voronoi plus. And if you want, you can combine them together or combine to other nodes if you want.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.